Are your questions good or scary?
They're really dumb.
Okay, how dumb?
Hi, I'm Carolyn Martin. I'm the host of Icebreakers, and I am here with Julien Solomita. Julien Solomita is a YouTuber with almost 2.5 million subscribers. He's known for many projects on YouTube, including Last Minute Trips, and more recently his cooking shows, which feature delicious vegan recipes. He also has a highly entertaining podcast, the Jenna Julien Podcast, with his longtime girlfriend, Jenna Marbles. You ready? So, how many 10-year-olds would it take to kick your ass?
10-year-olds?
10-year-olds.
25.
Where was the last place that you would ever be caught dead?
By myself, like a beauty store.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you had to make one rule for the day and everyone had to follow it, what would it be?
Just don't be stupid.
Oh, that's good.
You know?
That's really good.
Yeah.
Is cereal soup?
Is cereal soup? No, not at all. No.
Are you sure?
No, and vice versa is also no.
If you had the opportunity to get abducted by aliens, would you do it?
Yeah. Wait, can I bring like snacks?
Sure.
Okay, snacks, yeah.
If you have to be handcuffed to one person, and it can't be Jenna, for 1 month, who is it?
Wait, not Jenna?
Not Jenna. Can't be Jenna.
Her mom.
Would you rather whisper everything that you say, or
The other thing,
yell?
whatever it is, yes.
Yell
yeah,
everything.
100% yell.
Okay. If you had to start a cult, what would it be?
I don't know, turn Gatorade, put Gatorade into water fountains instead of water.
Okay, that's
the cult.
interesting. Okay. If Peach was a celebrity, who would she be?
Paris Hilton.
Nice. What 3 items would you buy to make a cashier really uncomfortable?
Wood, rope, and an already lit fire.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Like already on it.
On?
It's like
Okay,
on fire.
awesome. So if your dogs were people, how would you rate them on who you would want to hang out with?
I would definitely not want to hang out with Mr. Marbles. Kermit wouldn't hang out with anyone. Peach, 100%. And Bunny is way too cool. She
Bunny's
wouldn't hang out with
so cute. If you had to give up coffee or alcohol, what would you choose?
No, I would choose no.
You have to choose.
Okay, I would give up alcohol. I can't function without coffee.
Okay. What is the worst Nicolas Cage movie?
All of them and none of them, because they're all the greatest and the worst movies of all time.
What's the creepiest thing that you could say to a stranger walking down the street?
Last night was fun.
What's the stupidest way you've hurt yourself?
I tried to stand on top of a soccer ball and I broke my ankle.
Seriously?
Yep.
If mayonnaise wasn't called mayonnaise, what would it be called?
Creepy sauce. I don't know. I'm going.
Would you rather talk to animals or speak all the languages?
100% talk to animals. They're better than people.
Okay. Take your dad at your age and you now, who wins in a fight?
Me, 100%.
Okay. What's a weird fact that you happen to know?
There's like 1,600 meters in a mile.
That's nice. If you could eat only one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
Can I have some right now?
Yes, you can.
I'm a bit hungry.
You're done.
Oh my God. How's it going?
How do you feel?
My midsection is like frozen.
Yeah, you're all red.
These did nothing.
So how do you feel after you did the chamber?
I'm defrosting slowly.
Yeah?
Yep.
Did it feel good?
It honestly did. I was pretty sore. I felt like burning a little bit. Wasn't ready for that.
Okay.
But now that it's over, I feel wonderful.
Because I know you've done it before. Was it harder with questions or easier?
Definitely harder.
Really?
Yeah. And even with the window open, I thought it was going to be a piece of cake.
Yeah.
Nope. I had to use my brain.
Yeah.
You made me do that.
Yeah.
And it made my body hurt a little more.
Good, I'm glad.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Thanks.
So what inspired you to do Last Minute Trips?
It was just a show idea that we kind of had, and it incorporated an element of random and travel, and those two kind of just like made a great show and a good time for us. And as we went along, it just kind of became like a fun thing we did.
I think it's so cool. What was the most memorable trip?
They were all kind of weirdly memorable in their own way.
Anything specific?
I hung out with the mayor of a town for like a whole entire day.
I think I saw that episode.
Yeah.
That was cool.
That was fun.
Really
He was actually
cool.
a really cool
Yeah,
dude.
that was really, really
Yeah.
cool. Was any of the trips like a complete disaster?
All of them
Yeah.
in some way, shape, or form. Yeah. Forget stuff and hotels back out or cancel or aren't there or
Yeah.
cars aren't there. You know, things
Yeah.
like that. Logistical things
Mhm.
never went our way. So
You recently started posting a lot of food stuff
Mhm.
on your channel. Do you have a signature dish?
I would say, like I answered, pad thai. Like I love making Asian like noodles
Yeah.
and like stir fry. That's just kind of like my favorite food. But I'm trying to expand into other territories and not just go pad thai every night.
You love to cook?
I do, yeah.
Yeah?
It's fun. I'm not good at it, but I really enjoy it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
awesome. So I know you and Jenna have 4 dogs,
hmm
and it wouldn't be fair of me to ask who is your favorite. So if I were to ask the dogs, who would they say that likes you the least?
Which dog likes me the least? Marbles.
Yeah.
He's Jenna's protector
Okay.
at all times. So
Okay.
if she's sleeping and I even look at her, he's on guard.
And
You know
who
what I
would
mean?
say is the favorite?
I think I've won over the female dogs in the house. I think Peach and Bunny really love me.
Yeah.
And I think Kermit and Marbles love Jenna.
I love your dogs.
Yeah.
And one more question. What is your biggest accomplishment thus far in life?
In life?
In life. We went deep.
That's really deep. I don't really know. Like, I don't know. How do I answer that? You know what I mean? Like, I think that I've done some cool things. I've traveled to cool, thank you. I've traveled to cool places.
Yeah.
I think, I don't know, just being able to like own a house is pretty cool.
Fucking awesome.
I'm kind of proud of that.
Yeah.
And, you know, a lot of the things I've gotten to do and spending my life with Jen has been pretty damn cool. So,
Oh, you're so cute. That's
Yeah.
so sweet. And where can people find you?
all over the internet. So on
Mm.
YouTube or on Twitch.
Cool. Awesome. Well,
Mhm.
thanks for coming on my show.
Thanks for having me. It was cold. It was fun though.